The Mi 9T uses a brand new optical in-screen fingerprint sensor, giving you a blazing fast unlocking experience. How fast is blazing fast? The new sensor delivers a buttery smooth unlocking experience, similar to traditional physical fingerprint sensors. We've doubled the photosensory area and increased the fingerprint detection area by 15%, so it collects 40% more information every single time it scans your finger. In the past, users would find it difficult to unlock their phones in bright daylight, extreme low temperatures or with dry fingers. But with the new in-screen fingerprint sensor, the success rate of unlocking the Mi 9T has increased by 30% under extreme conditions. Faster, safer and smarter. Unlock a whole new experience with Mi 9T's new fingerprint sensor.